Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. In this video, I want to show you three simplest things that you can do with your PowerPoint to make your PowerPoint presentation more professional. So let's get started. This is the dummy PowerPoint presentation that I made. I'll show you the slideshow and then we will improve this presentation to a professional level. So let me show you the slideshow. So this is the first slide, then the second slide, third slide, fourth slide, and then a thank you message at the end. So what I want to do is improve this presentation because this look very bland. So the first thing I want to do is combine these two slides. So what I can do is just create a new slide here, and then I'll just do two content ones. So I can create this, and then after that, I'm going to go to insert, and then zoom, then summary zoom. So here it will give me an option on which slides I want to add to that slide. I can just add slide 2 and 3 because I want to insert these two together to make them a one slide. So this is how it will look like now. I can delete this. So here we go. So I can call this a graphs or something like that. I can call them graphs uh, of country and status. Okay, so now we have one slide, but what this would do is that when we are doing a slideshow, we will just show this one slide and we will be zooming in into each slide instead of going through them separately. So if I do a slideshow again, I'll just do this slideshow and then first slide, and here we go. This is our third slide. Now if I click on this, it will zoom into that slide. I click back, then I click on this, it will zoom into that slide, and then I'll go back, and then we go to the next slide, and then thank you. So as you can see, we missed these two slides during the slideshow. We just show both of these slides and on here, and I think this will make your slide so much better because when you're doing a slideshow, you're also doing a comparison, but you can also zoom in into each slide to show more details of that slide. So the second thing I want to do is that, as you saw during the presentation, this slide kind of came in together. I want to add some more animations to this. So I want to add animation to this table that I have here. So I can select this table, go to animations, and then I want to make sure that it's something cool. So there are like a bunch of animations available. One of them is a swirl like this. You can add that, or there are a bunch of others available. Some of them are pretty simple. They look more professional. So if I look this one, this is pretty cool too. So I can just stay with this. I'll just stay with this. I can also add animations to this sales per country, but I don't want to do that. So I want to just add animation to this table that I have. So if I do a slideshow again, so I'll just do first slide, then enter, uh, then I'll zoom in the first slide, second slide, and then sales per country. Here's our table, and then thank you, and here we go. So now what happened is that our presentation is much better than it was before, but I want to add more transition between slides. So when one slide is gone, I want there to be like some sort of cool transition between each slides. So that is also possible. I'll just select the slide, then go to transition, and here are a bunch of transitions available for me. So it could be like any of these. uh, there are like a bunch of them. There is this one, so it kind of goes like that, or it could be like a fade in one. It could be push. There are a bunch of like other one available as well. I can just stay with push here. I can also add push, and I can also add push here, and I can also add push here, and at the end I want to push here as well. Okay, so if I do the slideshow again, so I'll just do this first slide, then zoom, third slide, zoom, and now fourth slide. Here is the table, and then push again, thank you, and this is it. So I can also like add more things to this. So as you can see that our slides don't have any numbers or don't have any dates or anything, I can definitely add that to all the slides all together. I can go to insert, And here you see these little options. It says quickly add current dates and or time. So I'll just select that, then go to dates and time. So here are a bunch of options on which kind of date and times I want to add, and also give you a preview of where it needs to go. If you want to add like a footer, you can do that. If you want to add like a slide number, you can do that. So I can apply to that as well. So I'll just say apply all, and it will be added to all of them. So as you can see, if I go on here and there's a date, there's a slide number, go to the next one. So you see, this is slide 2, but this is 3 and 4. So I'll select here. Here we go. 4. Here we go. And then we have 5. And then here's the date again. And then here is our animation again. And then here is the thank you. So as you can see, with few clicks we were able to make our presentation much better than it was before. So this is how you can improve your presentation, by just adding animations, adding transitions. You can add zoom in functions. If you don't want the slide numbers or the days on there, you can definitely remove them. But these are simple things that you can improve your presentation with. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.